फर्स्ट।
मेरे लिए नहीं मंगाइए।
ये चीज है। My channel, this is Alfia and it is another TE vlog. In this vlog I am going to be taking you guys through a chill weekend in my life. Now not every weekend is the same. For me some weekends are very busy. I like working on weekends and having a chill rest time during the other days of the week, but this time it's going to be interesting. We have a few things planned, a little bit of unusual, normal, exciting things, not something grand, but I really wanted to vlog this thing for you guys because y'all enjoy vlogs and I also love, you know, capturing these moments in my life as well. Today is a Saturday and आज की agenda में we have to go to the mall. We're actually going to Phoenix Market City to pick up some things. They have 50% off in the entire mall. So me and my sister, we are both fully vaccinated. So we'll go to the mall, pick stuff. I will be checking out Zara because Zara sale के time पे ही लेना सही होता है. I have never really shopped from Zara except for perfume. So we'll see today if I get to pick any clothing items. And yeah, that's about it. I am done with my makeup. I just need to put on my outfit and I will show you guys what I'm wearing today to the mall. Let's go to the mall. If you have seen How I Met Your Mother, you might be aware of this. Let's go to the mall today. That's my sport boy.
Sport boy? Excuse me.
Yeah. So yeah, let's go quickly change. So this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this sweatshirt, Blackpink merch from H&M with these trousers. I think they're from H&M as well. I got my Nike sneakers on. I don't know what to do with my hair, so I think I'm gonna keep it just like that. It's a very cute pink outfit for the mall. Hello.
नहीं बचना।
अच्छा, मैं भी शायद किसी और को सोच के ही किया आपको हेलो। अरे वो कल जो अंकल मिले थे उनकी आंखें ऐसी थी। हाँ तो जानी चाहिए यार वो। Just have 2 joggers and 1 pants, huh?
What are we doing now?
Going to check in at other stores और अभी इसको हम छुपा रहे हैं बिकॉज कोई और ना ले ले. This is wrong. नहीं अगर नहीं हुआ तो हम यहाँ पे आके लेंगे वापस. So
जुगाड़.
हमेशा ऐसे होता है कि फिनिक्स में आके वी फर्स्ट चेक Forever 21 और हम लोग इतना खर्चा कर देते हैं एंड वी रियलाइज़ कि H&M और Zara में भी है चीज़ें. वी फर्स्ट गो एंड चेक अदर स्टोर्स ऑल्सो, फिर हम लास्ट में खरीदी करेंगे.
Yes.
हमने तो हमारा सामान छुपा दिया है वैसे भी.
Smart shopping it is called. You don't waste money.
यार चलो लेट्स गो. मुझे ये सारा चीज़ बहुत पता नहीं हिल रोड वाली फीलिंग दे रहा है.
Yeah.
They have no clue why did they promote 50% off. Like the collection is so shitty. The offers are so bad. Let's go check out Zara now. बहुत ही बड़ा स्कैम हो चुका है. There are no offers. I don't know what's with me and Zara. We never bond. इस बार भी हम ऐसे ही जा रहे हैं because everything is shit expensive.
अरे वो पू बोलती है ना.
Let's go check out अपना अड्डा H&M now. वही है हमारी आस.
मैची मैची. It is so shitty that you come to the mall ये सोच के कि ऑफर मिलेगा and ऑफर ही नहीं मिला.
वही like they're promoting all wrong stuff, misleading customers. I think they're getting it for free because nobody's at the cash counter.
Okay, pack your bags.
चलो. हमको लगा हमको फ्री में मिल जाएगा, कोई था ही नहीं इधर. Not around to get deal.
ऐसा लग रहा है तेरा व्लॉग नहीं मेरा व्लॉग है.
I'm so tired यार.
Same. It was not worth it. I feel पूरा दिन invest करना over shopping. There were no offers.
Yeah, but I also wanted to get you out. So
Saturday rolling boys.
what would you recommend?
I recommend you to go with the original classic pencils.
What the hell? It's salty, buttery.
इसका dough is more like naan वाला dough. But I don't know, something is different. अच्छा है. I approve.
Salad looks good. Just two types of people.
Please, that is also unhealthy.
No.
That is nowhere healthy, sister. Hi buddy, two types of people, please. If you cheat अच्छे से. Friends में था ना, Joey doesn't share food. Baby doesn't share fries. Hack. If you don't want to remove your ketchup on the plate, just fold your fries का ये ऐसा and put your ketchup here. Works every time.
And if you want to stay healthy, then ditch the fries and go for salad. Okay, you guys, I got back home. I showered, changed into my PJs, did my nighttime skincare. I actually showed it on my Instagram, so if you're not following me there, you should. The point is, the reason why I came here is to show you guys what all I bought, because obviously I showed you guys that I'm shopping, so how does it make sense that I don't show you what I got? Okay, so let's begin. Number one thing that I actually got from H&M is this flannel shirt. It's an oversized shirt with this blue-white situation happening in the size M, and I got it for $9.99. उसके बाद हमने ली है ये white joggers, जिसके बाद में obviously I showed you guys what we were doing. So ये हमने Forever 21 से ली. It has butterflies bottom में and it is for $17.999. $17.999. Then I got this thing that I really wanted since so long. Got this particular leather pant from H&M and it was for $14.99, the best deal that I could get. इसकी खास बात ये लगी थी कि इसके waist पे there is this V thing happening which looks very nice, और end में भी ना कट दिया हुआ है जो आगे जाके दिखता है, so that was also interesting. Next I have a pair of ribbed leggings. These are again from H&M and this was for $9.99 and I am in the size L. Yeah. And the last thing is this wide leg denim in the color white. You should have at least one pair of white denims, jeans, trousers, etc. because they come so handy. In the size 12 and it is for $12.99. So yeah, this was the last item. That's all that I shot. And ab jate hain, sote hain, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's a Sunday. Let's see what all we do and catch you guys later. Bye.
The next day.
Hi, Bud.
Hi, bye. Hi, bye.
Hi you guys, good morning. It's a Sunday and it is the next day that I'm vlogging. I actually woke up, showered, and look at my eyes. Like I've woken with super puffy eyes, and this is like everyday ka scene. Every day my face, my eyes are so puffy, so I'm gonna show you a trick, a hack that I use to depuff my eyes. It's very easy. All you have to do is just take your green tea bag after you have you know, drunk your green tea. Don't throw this away, just refrigerate it in the deep freezer, and once it cools down, just rub it over your eye, and you can also take it under. I'm just gonna do it on one eye and show you that it actually works. You see, this eye is less puffier than this one. I keep refrigerating these because ये थोड़े देर में warm होते जाते हैं. So just, you know, keep doing it again and again, and they really work like magic. So yeah, that's about it for the depuffing routine. Now the agenda for the day is number 1 to get some self-care, and number 2 that we're all going out for a neighborhood get together. All of our neighbors, including our ex-neighbor, that is Divit's family, we're all going out to have street food together. Now for my self-care bit, I actually wanted to do something for my nails because they have been going through a toss with all the press-on nail situation that I've been doing for months now. The glue has really spoiled the surface of my nails. So I do like getting a manicure done, but I do it only like once in 6 months or once in a year, but through a salon because they do it the best. Now I was not in the mood to go out, also did not have time, so I thought why not book a salon at home, and it was so easy with Urban Company. You get salon like service at the convenience of your own space by just a press of button, and I was getting a very good package deal. The manicure pedicure was available at a very good rate, so I thought I should book that for myself. The professional Madhuri will be here in a bit, so I need to get going. So yeah, that's about that. My entire experience, what all happens today, will also be shared, so let's get going. Okay you guys, so I got done with the salon service and it was such a wonderful experience. Look at my hands, they've actually gone lighter. The detan pack that she used for my manicure really worked, and it was just so good. Everything was like so hygienic. I was surprised. She was carrying the gloves to masks to sheets, everything all together. I was actually skeptical about 2 things. Number 1, ki ghar pe kaise hoga? What if she needs something? What if she forgets anything? But to be honest, she was carrying all the equipments that one would, you know, actually need for a mani-pedi session, or from the utensils to bowls to the products to, you know, gloves, masks, and like everything was like taken care of. So I had nothing to provide with, and I could just, you know, sit back and enjoy the whole service. Number 2, I was thinking that this would be a lot more expensive, but to my surprise, the deals were a lot more cheaper than what you get at your regular salons. They have 3 packages to choose from: classic, premium and luxury. So no, you can actually pick one that suits your budget. So my experience all in all was just so relaxing, and I had a fun time, and I'm definitely looking forward to it for my future occasions. So yeah, that was all about my experience. You guys too can experience Urban Company. Just download the app and leaving the link in the description box below. So now the agenda number 2, the neighborhood get together that I spoke about earlier. We're all ready and just about to leave. It's going to be so fun. I'm going to take you guys through. Let's go. मस्त लग रहे हो. अभी बाकी थोड़ा सा
ये दोनों हाथ में मिलेंगे।
हेलो बोल दिविक।
हेलो
हेलो स्वरीत।
हेलो
भैया देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं।
एक हो गई
ये हम लोग क्या खाने जा रहे हैं? फ्रेंच
Thumbs
फ्राइज,
up.
थम्स अप। अरे रे
मधु का है और काकू दूसरी लिख रहा है दूसरे के में गई भाई के साथ गई
आगे गई आगे 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 आगे।
ये अलीशा
तू क्या खाएगी? इधर देखो संगीत समीक्षा दी। अभी बैठ जाके कुछ तो काम आना चाहिए ना यार। किसकी बाइक है ये?
मेरी
ये क्या हो गया दिविक की ना, दिविक की बाइक उसका ओनर आके ले गया। ये और उसके बियर।
इसके टीचर को ट्यूशन टीचर को बोलता है टीचर आपके पास बियर है घर में पढ़ने आके पार्टी
फिर अभी स्वरित के साथ। अभी तू कर।
अरे हाथ तो छोड़। अभी स्वरित के साथ। अरे स्वरित ऐसे
चलो 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 स्टार्ट। चलो चलो भागो।
दे मुझे।
अच्छा ला।
Okay, you guys, after the get together, it started raining so bad. Like, it was not just raining, it was raining cats and dogs. We were all drenched in water with no umbrellas whatsoever. Obviously November end aa chuka hai, like who the hell is expecting it to rain? It was so bad, so I couldn't vlog anymore. But we actually did not do much. मतलब उसके बाद हम बस गए बारिश में भीगते हुए टपरी पे चाय पी, and then we got back home, and actually that was all about it. And yeah, I think you can clearly make out from my face that I'm very sleepy. I'm honestly so tired, and I have a very long day of shoot tomorrow, so I need to like literally crash. But yeah, that's about it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I really hope that you found it fun, etc. Let me know if you guys like such type of videos, and what was your favorite part of this video in the comments below. Let me know. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye, take care, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.